Smile, Morgan.
Why, you're cranky again?
Tired.
Fine.
Maybe you need a cup of coffee.
I hate coffee.
You said Dad never let you have any.
Yeah, but I found out Grandma
Grandma
did.
let her try it.
Yesterday she goes, I gotta tell you a secret.
Stay here, girls.
Grandma let me.
Here, why don't we get a picture with you guys and Carson?
Okay, but Carson didn't find any more. Hey. Yes, I have, because Corbin did it.
Kaylee, have you ever jumped on a trampoline? The
Yeah.
neighbors got one in their yard.
I know.
You want to? You guys want to go steal it?
No. Yeah.
Do you? Kaylee
No.
does.
Morgan says no and Kaylee says yes.
No, we're gonna.
Go steal
Come
it.
on, come help me.
They won't know.
Come on, let's do it. Come on, put your eggs down.
Put your
I
eggs
don't think
down.
anybody's home.
Yes,
Come on.
let's go.
Come on.
Come on, Morgan. Hey!
Told him we're stealing it. And Morgan won't do it.
Morgan's gonna do the lookout.
See, she's just like you were. She is. She's just like you were. Never wanted to do anything wrong. Scared.
And then there's Kaylee.
She had the fear of God in her. You did.
Kaylee's like, okay, let's go.
Oh, she said one's in the window watching. They're gonna call the police. Hurry up, go get on it. Yeah, hurry up before they come and get it.
Well, just take your shoes off. Devil's all right. No, don't step on the grass.
Hey, don't jump too high. Let's jump like this.
What do you think?
Eat somebody! Eat
Think you get in trouble?
somebody! Yeah.
Want me to tell you a secret, Morgan?
She
Morgan.
saw us.
Want me to tell you a secret? This trampoline is yours. Yeah, happy Easter. For you.